Sensei Matt Federico, and this is Caitlin, and we're doing 3 strikes to save your life. Usually we do a lot of videos with like me and Sensei Jesse or me and Sensei Corey, but today we're going to use Caitlin because Caitlin doesn't know any karate. So it's going to be really fun because then you'll kind of get an idea of someone who doesn't really have much experience. I don't know how much experience she has. Do you have any experience? No experience. But it's going to give you a good idea of some things to learn. So here's 3 strikes that will save your life. So in the other videos we went over the first thing is the base. So me and Caitlin went over this before. So everyone step their foot back, put your hands up. You always want something between you and the person who's trying to attack you. So I asked Caitlin, what would be like your biggest fear, right? She's like, what was your biggest fear?
Being approached by a big person.
Yeah, she was like a big man, right? She's like, I don't like to take out the garbage at night because I'm afraid a big man's gonna come up and like attack me. So we're gonna go over, there's always things you can do beforehand. Like a great thing she does is don't take out the garbage at night. Then you don't have to worry about that. But we're gonna go over worst case scenarios because that's what we're here to learn, is if someone does approach you. So if someone approaches you, hands up like this. So Caitlin, you're gonna approach, I'm gonna approach you. You step back, hands up. So now we have this, we have our little base. Our goal is to get away, that's number 1. So the first strike we're gonna work on is just a straight heel palm. The important part is make sure it's straight. So basically, if I'm trying to grab her, my arms are coming on the outside, right? I'm trying to smother her, grab her, however I want. I almost want to move her. What she wants to do is draw a straight line, and you want to hit either nose or the chin. I like aiming for the chin because if you hit them in the chin, that's going to send everything back. So like if I'm really trying to resist and she pushes, there's not, even if I'm a really big person, all right, how hard are you pushing?
I mean, it's lefty, so it's...
All right, we'll do the right hand. All right, all right, push. But how hard? Start lighter. You can light it. Do you have to push very hard to move me? So that's one thing. You don't need to be overly powerful. Now, let's say you missed my chin. Where would you hit?
Your nose.
Yeah, and that would be just as bad. That's going to give you that thing. That's going to give you this time to get away. So it would be like this. Someone approaches, she steps back, she puts her hands up, I go to attack her, she would hit. If she had to, hit again. And then the next thing is get out of there. That's your goal, is to just run away as fast as you can. All right, we're going to make this a 3-part series, so hopefully you enjoyed the first strike. Stay tuned for tip 2 and tip 3.